Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video we have seen that how to select the record from the table. In this video we will learn how to update the record. There is a two way of updating the record, with the where clause or without the where clause. If we specify where clause, then it will update a specific record, but without where clause it will update all records in one go. Let's see how we can do it in SQL Server. Select the database and then select new query. Just see the data in the employee table first before update. We can see that there is a 3 record. Let's write the update query. Update table name set, then specify the column. Let's say instead of John I want Mohan to the place where employee ID equal to 1. Just select this query and execute. We can see that one row affected. Let's see whether it is updated or not. Yes, we have seen that Mohan is updated instead of John. Let's try without where clause. Three row affected. Now select star from employee and then execute the query, and then see all the employee ID has been updated with employee name Mohan. So this is how we can update the table. Before updating, we should be careful whether we are specifying the column or we are going to update a specific record or not. If it is specific record, always remember to use where clause. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.